Here we're going to be talking about simplifying expressions. And in order to do that, there are some things that you can do and some things that you can't do. So we're going to talk about this in, I think, a little bit of a fun way so you can really see what's going on. Okay, how is it that we can add 2 and 5? Well, whenever I say that, probably the first thing you think is, well, of course we can add those things. They're numbers. We just add them together. That's exactly why we can add them together, because they are numbers. They are both similar items, so we can group them together. Could we group together other items also? Like, for instance, here I have a triangle and a triangle and another triangle. So instead of saying I have a triangle and a triangle and a triangle, could I put those things all together and speak about them in one single term? Absolutely. I could say those are 3 triangles, right? Okay. What about something different? Here I have a kite and I have another kite. Could I put those two things together and talk about them as a single item? Absolutely. I could say I have 2 kites, and that would be a true and fair statement, right? Okay, what about this? What if I had a triangle and I had a kite? Could I put those two things together and talk about them in the same way? I couldn't, could I? I would have to literally say I have a triangle and I have a kite, because these are not the same item. We cannot put these together because they're not the same thing. That's important. In order to be able to group items together, they must be the same type. This is called combining like terms. We can only combine things that are similar in nature. Otherwise, we have to talk about them separately and individually.